Okay, in the previous class, we have seen the about the KNN introduction. Okay, now I'm taking the solid example. Okay, about the KNN classifier. First of all, you have to import the packages. So you know about KNN classifier. So KNN classifier is the type of a machine learning algorithm or a model. Okay, so what is a K? K is some constant. What is NN? NN is the nearest neighbor. So we are going for the classification, not regression. Okay, so I'm importing the packages pandas. So and then okay, pandas p as a pd. Also I'm importing the already existing data sets in the sklearn package. Okay, these I am loading into the iris. This is a variable name. Okay, here you take your own variable, no problem. Okay, run this code. Okay, first time it takes 10 to 20 seconds for the first cell to execute. Okay, now here in this variable I am having the iris data set. Now run this code. Here what is the feature names? Okay, see, feature names nothing but a columns in the table. So what is these columns? They are the independent variables. See, in the machine learning you have to make a difference between the independent variable and the dependent variable. Okay, so that is what here feature names. Okay, so here they are the independent variables. So how many independent variables I am having? I am having sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. So these are the biological names in order to measure the width and length of the so and so iris flower leaf. Okay, now here target names. So this is what we have to classify. Okay, so using so and so length, width, PL, PW, we have to classify whether the iris flower is a setosa, versicolor, or a virginica. Okay, these are the target, nothing but a class or a label, which that is our intention. Okay, now here what I am doing here, so what is the use of this code? Here data frame, it is a function. I am passing the as a parameters data, so also future names. Okay, so into where I am storing into the df is the some variable name or a table name. Df is nothing but a data frame. Here you take your own variable, no problem. Okay, run this code, we'll see the output. Okay, now it is very easy to visible. Okay, so sepal length some centimeters, 5.1 centimeters. Sepal width, petal length, petal width, these are what, these are the independent variables. Okay, okay, so in that where I am storing in the df using pandas package along with the data frame function. Okay, now second, now here what is the use of this code? So the use of this code is I am adding the target, okay, into the new column. So that is added to the df. Okay, so it means I am adding the target names. What is target names? I am have setosa, these three flowers I am adding mean at the end of the table. That's what we are doing. So this meaning means what, I am adding some new column to the existing data frame. Okay, run this code. Okay, now see here I am adding the so SL, SW, PL, and then PW. So what is the class? Class equal to target equal to 0. It means some class, some flower name. Target equal to 1, some flower name. Target equal to 2, some flower name. Okay, this is what a table. Okay, now here for example if you want to take only target equal to 1, we'll see what are the values. Okay, so these are the target equal to 1. Okay, so from 50 to so and so number, from 0 to 50 I'm having the 0 target, I mean 0 is the class, some flower. 50 to so and so I'm having some target equal to 1. So next one, what target equal to 2, I'm having the from 100 to I think 150. Okay, these are the table we are having. Okay, now here see by observation what is the meaning of this. See what is the this statement. Okay, this statement meaning is I am adding a one new column to the existing table. This is the meaning. Okay, see which I have selected. The meaning here is I am adding a new column flower name to the existing table df. Okay, Okay, right side what I'm doing, I'm applying a lambda function. It means x equal to 0, take some name like setosa, x equal to 1, uh, it is versicolor. Okay, x equal to 2, it is virginica. So lambda, it is going using the function is here is, okay, x equal to 0, some name, x equal to 1, some name, x equal to 2. So I am assigning the 0 some flower name, 1 some flower name, 2 some flower name. That is the purpose of this code. Now we'll see the output here. See here, SL, SW, PL, PW. So target equal to 0 means what is the flower name? Flower name is the setosa. So target equal to 1, it is the versicolor. Target equal to 2, what is the flower name? Flower name is the virginia. So this is what table. Okay, this is not mandatory actually. This is for only understanding purpose only. Okay, okay. Now, for example, if you I'm creating some new tables. Okay, df 0 from 0 to 50, 50 to 100, okay, 100 to 150. Okay, we'll see what is the use. Okay, so I am drawing the some graphs using math.lib. Okay, so you know about this. Okay, see x label I'm taking the SL, y label I'm taking the SW. See, I'm taking the going for the scatter plot. So df of 0, df of 1, I'm taking the SL, SW, SL, SW. So green and blue markers. So run this code, we'll see the output. Okay, this is the scatter plot. See, this is the 2D space. Okay, x-axis I am taking the SL, y I have taken the SW. Okay, so this is also not mandatory. Now here again same, I'm taking here what PL, PW. So PL I'm taking on the x-axis, PW I'm taking on the y-axis. Okay, so just for visualization only I have taken this. This is not mandatory actually. Okay, now here we are going for the train test split. Now see, x and y. Okay, now what is x equal to what? Can you guess? X equal to independent variables. How many we are having? Only 4. SL, SW, PL, PW. Okay, so I am dropping the two columns. What is two columns? Target and the flower name. Okay, remaining x are storing, remaining columns are storing in the x. So what in the y, what I am storing? I am storing only df dot target. Okay, run this code. X equal to you see here. So this is what. So there are two columns at the end. They are dropped. What is two columns? One is target and then flower name. Okay, now see here, we are having how many how many rows? We are having 150 rows, 4 columns. Now we are going for the x train, x test, x y train, y test. So what is the purpose of this train test split? I will tell in the next, I mean another video in clear what is the purpose of this. So generally we are dividing the entire data into some of the rows for the training, some of the rows for the testing. We are dividing. Okay. Now here, for example, what is the meaning here? What is test equal to 0.2? It means 80% I am going for the training, 20% I am going for the test purpose. That is the purpose of this code. What is the happen? Oh, it is not defined. Why? Okay. Okay, I have to run this code actually. I have to import the package actually. Okay. Now run this. Okay, now what is my intention? So sklearn is the main package, neighbors is the sub package. So this is my intention. I have going for the k nearest neighbor classifier here. Now can you tell in this what is k equal to what? Can you guess? K equal to 10. Okay, see k equal to 10 here. Okay, so this is what? This is the variable name or a model or a object. You take your own variable. So this I am loading into the knn. Okay, run this. Now we have to go for a train. So x train and then y train. Now model is ready. If you want to check the accuracy, you have to go for the x test and then y test. Okay, what is accuracy? It is 96.6. It means my model is performing with performance accuracy of the 96.6. Finally, I have to predict what is the flower name. Okay, what is the flower? See what is 4.8, 3.0, 1.5, 0.3. There the SL, SW, PL, PW. 0 means what? Setosa. 1 means what? Versicolor. 2 means what? It is virginica, like that. Okay, that is what. So what is array of 0 means what? I'm getting the, so when you give this unknown data points, what is my flower? So flower is the, it is versi, I mean setosa. You'll see that setos are not, it is, no, it is setosa. That is what. Okay. So if you give some other values, for example, you try some other values. For example, you take here 5.0. Okay. So and then 2.5. You take 1.3, then run the program. We'll see what will be the output. Okay, it is again showing the same class. Okay, so if you want to get a array of one, you see the table and give the values approximately plus or minus to the actual value. Then you will get the, I mean, class as the output. So this is all about the KNN classifier. Okay, it is, we are using the K nearest neighbor classifier. Okay.